Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini versus Vivo V70 Elite. Let's start with design. Reno 15 Pro Mini comes with 6.32 inches of compact size, whereas Vivo V70 Elite comes with 6.59 inches of large display. Hence, for people who want small, compact, handy phone, Pro Mini is the perfect choice. Now let's put both the phone into the real camera testing. Pro Mini comes with 200 megapixel of main camera, whereas V70 Elite comes with 50 megapixel of main camera, hence providing more flexibility for pinch and zoom in Pro Mini. Also in Pro Mini, it shows true 200MP resolution. Hence, if you want to take out large size posters of your photo, Pro Mini is the perfect choice. When tested outside, it provided balanced color intensity too. Now let's do 3.5x test for portraits. Be it day or night, Pro Mini is the perfect choice as it gives DSLR-like effects with strong focus on subject and depth in photos. Not just that, in daylight, lights and shadows are well balanced and retained in Pro Mini. Now let's put both the phones into the zoom test. Reno 15 Pro Mini comes with 120x of zoom, whereas V70 Elite comes with 100x of zoom. 120x of zoom still provides better clarity in text as well as objects. Now let's see the video comparison. Both the phone gives you an option of 4K 60fps, but again Pro Mini has an advantage of HDR to give you well-balanced dynamic range and colors. Not just that, Pro Mini has an edge in terms of zooming as well, of up to 18x of zoom in Pro Mini versus only 15x in Vivo V70 Elite. For vloggers, Pro Mini is the perfect choice as it allows seamless camera switch between front and back for your vlogging. Now it's time for the real comparison of the selfie lover's front camera. For people who love taking selfies, when out with friends and family, all can come in one frame with Reno 15 Pro Mini clearly winning in the 100-degree FOV, whereas V70 Elite providing 92 degrees of FOV. Now let's do my favorite part of performance. Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini and Vivo V70 Elite both underwent AnTuTu benchmark testing, and guess what? Reno 15 Pro Mini was the clear winner, which comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8450 and achieving an AnTuTu benchmark score of 20 lakh plus, whereas V70 Elite of only 70 lakh. Now let's compare the AI features. Reno 15 Pro Mini comes with interesting features like pop-out for creative collages and also AI portrait glow for your photos to be clear in any light, whereas Vivo V70 Elite comes with features like floral blessing, holy portrait, which are more like filters. Hence, Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini is a clear choice in terms of design, AI, camera and performance.